In this video, I will show you how to spot drill the holes and then drill the 1/4 inch hole. Spot drilling the holes allows you to start the hole. In this operation, we will use the spot drill to chamfer the hole before drilling it. Select Toolpaths, Drill. The drill point selection dialog box will appear. From here, choose the option Entities. Now select the following arcs as shown. Once complete, select the OK button from the drill point selection dialog box. In the Toolpath page, select the drill toolpath. From the tree view list, choose Tool. Again, select the Library Tool button and then click on Filter. Under Tool Types, select the None button and then choose the spot drill icon. Also, ensure that the tool diameter is set to Ignore. Once complete, select the OK button to exit the Tool List Filter dialog box. At this point, you should only see spot drills. From that list, select the 1/2 inch spot drill as shown. You can now select the OK button. Your spot drill will appear as shown. Ensure that the spot drill is selected and then input the following comment. From here, select the cut parameters from the tree view list. Make any necessary changes as shown. Ensure that the cycle is set to drill counterbore and change the dwell value to 1. I will now explain a few of the parameters found on this dialog box. Drill counterbore is recommended for drilling holes with depths of less than 3 times the tool's diameter, whereas dwell sets the amount of time in seconds that the tool remains at the bottom of a drilled hole. Once the values have been changed, select the linking parameters. Ensure that clearance is enabled and set a value equal to 1. For the top of stock, set this to incremental and 0. Next, set the depth to incremental and select the calculator icon as shown. The depth calculator will appear. Input the following equation into the finished diameter area and hit enter to calculate the depth. Once complete, select the OK button to exit the depth calculator. You will now see that the depth has changed to -0.15. You can now select the OK button to generate the toolpath. We will now backplot and verify the operation to ensure that the tool motion is correct. Select the backplot icon. Ensure that Tool and Workpiece are enabled and select the Play Simulation button. Choose Isometric and the Fit icon to view your part. Your toolpath will appear as shown. You can now exit Backplot. From here, select all of the operations and verify the part. Ensure that Tool, Stock, Workpiece are enabled and select the Play Simulation button. Your part will appear as shown. You can now exit Verify. We will now drill the 1/4 inch holes to a specified depth. Again, select Toolpaths, Drill. When the drill point selection dialog box appears, choose the last button. This option will automatically select the hole for you based off the selection from the previous drill operation. Once complete, select the OK button to exit the drill point selection dialog box. Select the drill and from the tree view list, choose Tool. This time we will choose a 1/4 inch drill. To do this, click the Select Library Tool button and then choose Filter. From here, select None, choose the drill, and then put a tool diameter equal to 0.25. You can now press the OK button to exit the Tool List Filter dialog box. You will now see the 1/4 inch drill. Select this drill and choose the OK button. Your drill will appear as shown. Input the following comment: drill the holes. Select the cut parameters. This time, change the drill cycle to chip break and input a first peck value of 0.1 as shown. I will now explain a few of the parameters found on this page. Chip break drills the holes with depths of more than 3 times the tool diameter. The tool retracts partially out of the drilled hole to break material chips. First peck sets the depth for the first peck move, which plunges in and out of the material to clear and break chips. You can now choose the linking parameters. Here, change the depth to -0.5 incremental as shown. Once complete, select the OK button to generate the toolpath. We will now backplot and verify the part to ensure that the tool motion is correct. Select the backplot icon. Ensure that tool and workpiece are enabled and select the Play Simulation button. Your toolpath will appear as shown. You can now exit backplot. Next, select all of the operations and verify the part. Ensure that tool, stock, and workpiece are enabled. Also, select the isometric view and fit icon. Now press the Play Simulation button. Your part will appear as shown. You can now exit Verify.